Hi guys, I'm Ruchira and this is the second recipe in my three-part series of soup. And because I've been making soups that I love drinking this winter, and if you haven't seen the previous recipe, that's of the Trainwala tomato soup. This soup is the Moroccan harira soup, which is a soup which is more tomato and chickpea and any kind of meat that you like. I'm using mutton, you can use chicken. If you don't want to use mutton or chicken, you can replace the entire thing with some jackfruit. It tastes great. The thing about this soup is that it is both a stewy, it's almost stewy like, but it's really not. Net, it's actually a very delicious, wholesome, hearty soup. You just need a slice of toast on the side and you're kind of sorted for the evening. So to start this soup, we're actually making it with some tomatoes and onions, which have to be cooked with your meat, and the meat takes about 45 minutes to an hour to cook, and then you add the other things. The spices are very basic. You're adding ginger, you're adding salt, pepper, a little bit of cinnamon, and that's basically it. So to start the soup, I'm actually going to heat my pan and add just a little bit of olive oil, and to the olive oil I'm going to add some onions, a little bit of celery, some ginger, and I'm going to let this soften and cook together. So now that the onions have browned, I'm going to add cinnamon sticks to it, and I am using some lentils, red lentils, which is lal masoor ki dal, and I'm actually adding that to this as well. And in goes the tomatoes. With the tomatoes, I'm going to add a little salt and a little pepper. Okay, so once the tomatoes are slightly softened, I'm going to add my meat to it. I'm using about 500 grams of mutton. If you're using chicken, go ahead and use the exact same amount. You can use boneless as well. Either which ways, what we want to do is just brown it in these beautiful vegetables and let it cook through. So I'm just going to let this brown. And once it's brown, we will add some tomato paste. Now that's optional. If you don't have any tomato paste, you can absolutely omit it. But tomato paste just gives it a nice lift, and we can add that whenever we like. And then I'm going to add water to it and cover it and let it cook. So once our meat has browned, I'm going to add some tomato paste to this. A little bit of jeera powder or cumin powder. I'm using roasted cumin powder, but you can use anything else you'd like. We'll add some depth and flavor to this. And I'm also adding a little bit of coriander at this point. I like the flavors to amalgamate. And about 2-3 cups of water. Bring this to a boil and then let it cook. And I'm going to simmer it for about 45 minutes to now. So about an hour later, we're going to check what our harira looks like. You can see that the meat and the tomatoes are boiled through. I'm going to actually try and debone some of the meat. this, now I'm going to add my boiled chickpeas. Mix it well. And then I have some saffron, which I'd like to add some saffron water to this. Up a little bit of pepper. And I want to taste for salt. Needs a little salt. Finally squeeze in some lemon. And add some fresh herbs. I've got coriander. And I have some parsley. Mix this well. And our soup is ready. So all you have to do is serve this with like a nice crusty bread, and this is a meal in its own, and you're going to really enjoy it. Squeeze some more lemon on it, and that is the Moroccan harira. If you're looking at making it with chicken, make sure your cooking time is only 40 minutes. If you're looking to do it with jackfruit, your cooking time is also 40 minutes. With the mutton, of course, it is an hour, but otherwise this is how you make the soup. You want to omit the meat altogether. Just go ahead with both your lentils, your chickpea and your red masoor dal, and you will be sorted. This is our soup for today. I hope you make it, and when you do, please tag me on Instagram at Ruchi Rahun, and the recipe is at the end of this video. So that's our Moroccan harira for today, and I hope you've enjoyed this soup.